What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. Tile Tool Tuesday here. In this quick 5-minute review, we have probably right now the best laser measure on the market. It is by Bosch, it is new. We're gonna open it up, talk about the specs, talk about why this can be right now the best laser measure on the market, and then of course we'll test it out. Check out all of the new features. Let's get right to it. Let's unbox. And here we go. Green beam laser 4 times. Brighter than the red beam. Let's open it up. Well, there you have it. You have a bag to house this in. This can go around your belt. It also has a belt clip, which is a great idea. Installs like that. It feels really rugged. Nice rubber. Let's install the batteries and then talk about the specs. Let's boot this up before we talk about the specs. 3 different languages. Extremely clear LCD display there. Bright green beam laser and haptic feedback, if you can hear that there. This has a lot of different functions. Indirect height, volume, area, continuous measurement, length. It can measure feet, inches, meters, centimeters, millimeters, and a lot of different settings: brightness, vibration settings, audio settings. Okay, it's time to test this out in low light areas as well as bright areas. Here we go. I'm really loving the haptic feedback. And bright laser as well. Low light circumstances. Very bright laser. Let's turn the lights on. Still showing up very bright. Yeah, it's pretty darn clear still. I can see it with no problems at all. Let's move back a little farther. I can still see it with no problems at all. And yes, we're far away here. I would imagine 70 feet. 77, I can see that green laser, not a problem. The sun is out. Well, there you have it. Measuring has not been this easy, ever. Haptic feedback, bright green beam laser, up to 165 feet. You can see that laser outside in the sunlight. It feels real good in the hands, real ergonomic, nice belt clip, very rugged. This, I have a feeling, is probably right now the best laser measure on the market by Bosch. that's it, guys. As usual, specs and pricing on this unit will be in the link description below if you want to check it out. Thanks for watching. As usual, don't forget to tap that subscribe button down there. Don't forget to tap the bell notification down there so that you can get notified for future tile tool videos. I'll see you on the next one.